Reflection number 2. Number 1. As an athlete, what is your stand about the importance of rest? As an athlete, rest is essential for muscle recovery, injury prevention, and overall performance. It allows the body and mind to recharge, ensuring long-term progress and sustainability in training. Number 2. What is the importance of knowing the right time duration for training? Knowing the right time duration for training ensures optimal performance and prevents overtraining or burnout. It helps balance intensity and recovery, maximizing progress while reducing the risk of injury. Number 3. Give your insight about the proper execution of the fundamental movement pattern in your field or event. Proper execution of fundamental movement pattern is critical for building a strong foundation, improving efficiency, and reducing the risk of injury. Mastering these basics enhance performance and ensures smooth progression to more advanced techniques in the field.